Sambalpur, Odisha Lalit Kala Academy, and this is Western Odisha Freedom Fighter Memorial Hall. Also, this is the art gallery of Sambalpur. Let I take you there. This art gallery containing the memorable things for the people of the Odisha, and you see this gallery how decorated, and this was inaugurated by our Honorable CM Srijukta Naveen Patnaik on 27th February 2016, along with Kishore Mahanti, Rohit Pujari ji, Nagendra Pradhan, Madam Raseshwari Panigrahi, and others. And at that time, this park was also been developed, and in fact, this is a memorial hall and art gallery of Western Odisha. But this art gallery is still not open for the people for visit purpose. So the region is not been assigned why it has not been opened for the people, and this became just closed soon after the opening of this particular memorial hall and art gallery. So we urge the government such type of memorial hall and art gallery should immediately be opened for the people, so the people of the regions know the cultural heritage, rich heritage, and the customs, the great legendary freedom fighters' lifestyle, the contributions, the sacrifice of the freedom fighters for the nations. And we also urge the concerned department and concerned ministers, the concerned authority to look into the matters and take appropriate step for the opening of this art gallery and freedom fighters memorial hall. You see how so decorated it has, very nicely been decorated. But it has become not in function. So once again, on behalf of Mahanadi Time Media Productions, local people and as a whole by the public, it is the demand the park and this memorial hall with the art gallery be immediately open for the benefit of the people, so that the people will be benefited, and the purpose of this park, art gallery and memorial hall fulfilled, and people will be get benefited out of this particular establishment. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.